There are some important settings you need to turn on your 1688 app if you want to get the full package of the new 1688 app. So if you've been struggling with translating, if your own 1688 app is still in Chinese language, ensure you watch this video to the very end. You will see exactly how to change it completely to English. If you are also struggling with paying with your bank card, say you're in Nigeria and you're struggling with paying with your Naira card or your dollar card on 1688 app, please watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you there is a particular settings that you need to turn on so that you'll be able to pay with your bank card. You'll be able to ship directly from your supplier down to your country, and you'll be able to have the whole 1688 app completely translated for you to English. Another thing, guys, if you're struggling with changing pricing, you don't know how to convert from RMB to Naira or to Ghana cedis. In fact, you don't know how to do that. Currently on the 1688 app, with these settings I'm about to show you, the app will automatically convert from Chinese RMB or Chinese yuan to your own local currency. So you'll be seeing the Chinese price as well as the Naira price. You'll be seeing the Chinese price as well as the Ghana cedis price. Do you understand? So let's go straight into it. It's practical. It's not something I just say. I'm going to show you practically on my phone. So I'm going to leave my phone screen either here or here, as always, wherever I see place. But if you're new to the channel, hello, how you doing? My name is Onyi Onwura, and here on this channel, guys, I create content on how to start and grow a successful business online. I go in depth with importation. I go in depth with running Facebook and Instagram ads. In fact, everything that will help you scale up your business, sell more on the online space. That's what this channel is all about. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome back home. Yeah, this is actually a family, so you're welcome back, guys. I don't want to waste your time because this video is meant to be a very short video. So I'm going to be sharing my phone screen so you all can follow through. If you can see my phone screen at this point, I want to hear you say hi. So let's continue. Now, this is the 1688 app home page. This is what my home page looks like. You know your home page, right? And after that, we have message. You see your message section, your card section, and finally the profile section. Now I want you to click on your profile, which is the me icon you're seeing at the bottom right hand side of your screen. Once you click on it, guys, I need you to click on settings. You can see the settings icon at the top right hand side of your screen. You go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on it, we're going to take it one after the other, one by one. Now it says buyers settings. The first one is the account switch. Currently, guys, you can have more than one 1688 app. Yes, you can have more than one 1688 app, and I'm going to show you. I have two different 1688 app with two different login details, right? You can see the one I'm using. You can see another one. Can you see? I can add more if I want to. So it depends on how you're buying. It depends on what you want, your preference. The second is the address management. If you want to add your shipping address, say you want to add your shipping company's address or even your Nigerian address, your home address, because currently you all know that you can ship directly from China to Nigeria without any middleman. You can do everything on the app without any agent, any shipping agent, any buying agent. You don't need all of those. If you've not watched the video of where I explained how you can ship directly, you can buy on the app, ship from the app directly to your country. I will leave the video for you at the end of this video so you can go check it out. Okay, so everything has been made so easy if you're using the 1688 app. Now if you want to add all of this address, this is where you come to add it freely. So if you want to add all of those address, you click on address management, right? When you click on address management, you will see all the address you've added on the 1688 app. It will be displayed for you. If you want to add more, you can add more. If you want to delete some, you can delete some address management. That is what you do here. So you can see all the address I have on here. I have my shipping company address, I have my personal home address, right? You can see all of them. I have the addresses of some of my students that I have helped with procurement before. Their addresses are here. If I want to add a new address, I'll just go ahead and click on new receiving address, right? So if you want to add a new address, you go on and click on new receiving address. When you click on it, it will open up this new interface for you. You can decide to add a Chinese shipping company, I mean your shipping agent Chinese warehouse address. You can add it. If you want to add your own home address, you change it this way. Go ahead and add your own home address. Do you understand? So if you want to delete, you can delete some address from here. Once you click on manage at the top, let me show you where I clicked on. Sorry, I went all the way back. So once you click on that manage at the top there, so you can go ahead to delete some of the address you're not using. Something happened a few months ago. A student of mine, she had plenty address on here, and because she did not delete the one she was not using, she actually sent her goods to the wrong warehouse. Do you understand? It was in Hazulo. She completely sent all her goods to the wrong warehouse address, and at the end of the day, she spent money to get it back, ship it to the the main address she's using. Why am I telling you this? If there are addresses you're not using, please go ahead and delete them, because mistakenly one day you might just be shopping and you pick the wrong address. Do you understand? So any address you're not using, you go ahead and delete it. It does happen. Some of you will be like, how? It does happen because my shipping company, they were using an address before that is located at Guangzhou, right? And all of a sudden they changed it. They said that warehouse is too small. They are currently sending my goods to a warehouse that is located in Foshan. Do you understand? That is located in Foshan. So if I did not delete the former one mistakenly, because everything was looking similar, mistakenly I can click on the wrong one, and that will cost me money, because you need to start sending it back to where it's supposed to be at the first place. So this is where you come to delete addresses that you're no longer making use of. Now let's go back. We are done with address management. You click on accounts and security. For those of you that don't even know your password, you don't know your Taobao number that is connected to your 1688 app, please, this is where you come to see it. So there I can see my Taobao number that is connected to my 1688 app. I can equally see the phone number that is connected to this particular 1688 app. If you want to change your login password and all that, you can go ahead and do it. Do you understand me? So you go back from here. The next is payment settings. Very important, guys. Follow closely. When you click on the payment settings like this, you want to bound or you want to bind your Alipay account. For those of you that are asking, only my Alipay account is not linked to my 1688 account, please, this is where you come to link it. So if you've been asking me in the DM and maybe I've not gotten to you, please do this. Come to payment settings, right? Click on bound. It means bind, it means link. Click on bound Alipay. Once you click on bound Alipay like this, it will just wait for it to load. It will take some few seconds, right, to detect the Alipay account that you have on your phone, on this phone you're using. Now if you want to change it, you click on that orange bar to link it or to change it, whichever one. Do you understand me? It is that simple, guys. The next one there is privacy. Nothing much. You want to change your password and all that. I'm not doing any of those. Nothing much going there. Now another important one, for those of you that are complaining that your 1688 app is not in English, everything is still in Chinese, please click on where you see country. Can you see country? This is where you're getting it wrong. When you click on country, if you pick global, it will translate to an extent. Do you understand? If you want it to translate almost completely for you, please pick Nigeria. Can you see we have global, we have Southeast Asia, Eurasia, Latin America, Nigeria, Turkey, and Ghana. In Africa, we have just Nigeria and Ghana for now. Okay, so you can go ahead and pick your country if it's here. So I can pick Nigeria, go back from here, and then language. Make sure your language is in English. Can you see where your mistake is coming from? So if yours is not in English, how do you expect it to be translated to English? Make sure your language is in English. When you're done, you go back from here. And then currency, you can see that currently my currency is in USD. I set it that way. If you want to set your currency to be in Nigeria, that is to say you want the app to automatically convert the currency for you to Nigerian currency, please, this is where you come to change it. Can you see it? You can see the currency available. There is NGN here, which is Nigerian currency. So I'm just gonna pick it. When you click it, you will see our different payment options: GPay, Visa, Apple Pay, and then your master. Okay, so you pick the one you want. That's basically all of the settings I want to show you all in this video. Nothing much going on here. These are the settings I want to show you, especially that of the country, the language, the currency, your switch account, your address management. Hope you understand. So go check your own settings. Now let's go back and see what it looks like. I'm just gonna refresh this. Very good, everything has been refreshed. Guys, can you see now? At least you can read what's here. You can read what's here. It has been translated to English, and you can equally see the prices. You can see that the prices has been translated from, you can see that the prices has equally been converted from their currency to Nigerian naira. So if I click on this shoe, just hold on. When I click on this shoe, I will see that this shoe for yuan, it is 62 yuan. In Nigerian currency, you can see it to be 13,319. 13,319. Can you see it well written there? Are you seeing it? So anything you want to buy right now, you don't need to stress yourself with converting to know what the equivalent will be in your currency. You can just click here and it will show you the currency in Nigerian naira. Do you understand, guys? So that's what I want to show you. Nothing much. Oh my goodness, I love this shoe, guys. I love this shoes. 75 yuan, equivalent to 16,100 and approximately 16,200 naira, minus shipping. Obviously this is just the raw price, minus internal and external shipping. No form of shipping added here, but I think this right here is cute. Let's see the store. Oh, they actually sound nice stuff. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and check this store very well. I'm going to buy a few pairs from this store because immediately after their holiday, I'm going to buy a few pairs from this store because I've been seeing them on the homepage a lot, and I can see that their repurchase, the repurchase rate is high, the service score is high, the positive review is 100, right? If I buy from them and it's exactly what I ordered that I'm getting, I'm gonna add this link to your shoe link that you have on our 1688 manufacturers list, because the price here, just looking at this price, it is very good. These are shoes that you buy for nothing less than 38,000 naira, right? So you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna buy sample. I'm gonna buy a few pieces of this, and the inches is not much, about 4 inches. So I'm gonna buy sample. If it's exactly what is here, just know that I will update. You know, I've been updating that manufacturers list. I've been updating it. So if I check this, good, perfect, I'm going to add it for you all that want to buy something like this. Just know that Oni has tried it. Oni has tested it for you. And so if you've not gotten a 1688 manufacturers list, it is available on Seller. The link is down in the description of this video. It is going for 25,000 naira. You get over 70 manufacturers list of different products ranging from fashion, kitchen item, household item, electronics, content tools, solar power essentials, a whole lot. Okay, over 70. You go ahead right now, use the link you see down in the description of this video, go get this list. I mean, you don't want to buy stuff from people you don't trust on 1688, because 1688 is, the more you see, the less you understand. You don't want them to do you eye like this and you buy stuff from the wrong hands. You buy stuff that are not, if you know how to check very well, good and fine, go ahead and buy. But if you want somebody that will give you trusted suppliers, contact, we have put that together for you, and we have up to 70 tested and tried and trusted manufacturers contacts or link to their store that you can buy directly from here on 1688. Do you understand me? So you can either send a WhatsApp message to the WhatsApp number you're seeing on the screen, or you click on the first link to go get all of this list. We've done the hard work for you. Just click on their store link, buy anything you want to buy, be sure that they will deliver to you. Do you understand me? Going for 25,000 naira, guys. I will see you in the next one. I love you.